Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The topic for today is body language for building interpersonal relations. Let me start with one message. The message is in Telugu. Only Telugu knowing people can enjoy this message. ఒక్కొక్కసారి నీ నిజాయితీ, ధైర్యం, తెలివితేటలు నిన్ను గెలిపించలేనప్పుడు ఓర్పు, సహనం మాత్రమే నిన్ను గెలిపించగలవు. Coming to the topic, body language is bodily movement like posture, gesture, facial expressions, eye contact, haptics. Haptics means touch. Okay? Body language dominates spoken words. Voluntary body language. Movement, gestures, conscious smiling, hand movements known as voluntary body movements. Involuntary body language. Voluntary body language we have learned. Voluntary body language is movement, gestures, conscious smiling, hand movements. Involuntary body language, let us see. Facial expressions are called involuntary body movement. Now let us learn proxemics. Space between persons is called proxemics. Social distance, physical distance, we used to say no. Okay? How closely people position indicates closeness between them. Proxemics differs from culture to culture. He who knows doesn't speak. He who speaks doesn't know. Meta communication is communication about communication. Relationship between people, that is called meta communication. Body language occurs unconsciously and subconsciously. To leave good impression behind, body language plays a pivotal role. Let us see body language. Eye contact, handshakes, hand and arm movements, facial expressions, etc. are called body language. We already know it. Building interpersonal relationships. When two people have strong needs and each fulfills the other's needs, there is a powerful interpersonal relationship. Body language is observed in interview also. Human face has around 90 muscles. Out of them, around 30 express emotions. Before closing this lecture, I'll give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become successful personality in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.
Hi, friends, students, and educated people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into two kinds, two parts: hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills. What are soft skills? There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They are all there. So these soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why. See, that is why I am giving this intro today. Please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day.